Mushenyi.
Our reasons are only two. We want 1.3 and this 1.3 on the bank account. But the issue that is being handled is bank account, only the mode of delivery.
Omugachenchwire gebero mukaga byokwezo ku TV West ekworeka hakesharingo kabeje bitendekero lya Mbarara University of Science and Technology abarukushashurwa government ababire nibahakana senkora yo kubashashurira simu hamwe n'enshonge zindi.
Emitwara 3 n'abana ibakushashura nibarara abana bashatu mu hostel. Ko kwata emitwaro 9 nayo emitwara 3 sigaze emitwara 4 emitwara 4 niyo inegura ebyo kurya niyo ineguraho data cola research.
Nabwa nyuma yo kuteka haninga bakuru ba university obwa hati bikirize ngo baza kugumana babashashura sente zabo z'urukwika emitwaro 9 buri semester kurabira mu banka.
As usual, we had to put up pressure. That's what I've told my students. Always be assertive, don't allow oppression. So when we did that, we are happy that last week they issued a circular from the accounting officer's office that the transfers will be this time on bank accounts. And I'm expecting by the end of today or tomorrow, students must be having their money on bank accounts, non-taxed, because this type of money they get is subsistence, not income. And the subsistence is non-taxed. Actually taxing this money, it is even illegal. It is taxing money that is part of money that is tax exempted.
Kuri Gerard Mike Katongore mukuru wa Bejava enteekateeka zo kugezaho kutandika kubashashura mobile monies kabaziriza university nebigendererwe barukwemanyera.
Every directive from the government of Uganda is written and it comes in the form of a circular. But since then we have demanded for a circular, it was nowhere. So I don't have clear information exactly what was the directive. Was it oral? Was it verbal? I don't think our government has reached that level of making verbal directives.
Konka kuri Gerard Emmanuel Chagaba orukujenanezwa nshonga zabeje ninga shidina of students yahakana sevigambo bya mukuru wa bejo obwagumizengo cyo kubashashurira mu banka nahabo kugira ngo bamwe barahandikise masumu gabo.
Some students have phone numbers that are not registered in their names, so there were challenges on how the system would work immediately.
And Hauson Kagure